What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a construction worker, doctor, musician, and chef. So
Why?
I can earn 3 million money to buy Santa Fe.
Okay. How about you, Kuya Tenten? What do you want to be?
I want to be an engineer and help my construction workers so they can make houses and we can make money.
Okay. How about you, Ate? What do you want to be, Sabi? Okay.
Doctor.
You want to be a doctor? Why? You want to help people?
Yes.
Especially when there's a bubu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos, tatakbo sila. Tapos, na may bubo sila.
And then you will help them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tapos, dadalhin ko yung doctor, yung tao na yan. Tapos, dadalhin ko yung tao sa doctor.
Okay. What do you want to be when you grow up? Okay. Okay. Say bye.
Bye-bye. Oh,